Welcome to the final part. Here's the journey so far. Part 1 showed the painful Thanksgiving moment. Part 2 revealed the growing distance between them. Part 3 brought the mother's first real change of heart. Part 4 showed her chosen connection without abandoning her faith. And now in Part 5, we watch love build the bridge back home. This is where the mother heart softens completely and where reconciliation takes its first real breath. And before we begin, remember the words of Jesus. By this, all will know that you are my disciples, if you have love for one another. John 13:35. Our legacy is not correctness, it's love.
She was waiting for safety. I was protecting correctness. They came for Christmas. We had a beautiful time. Do I agree with her relationship? No. Do I love her fully? Absolutely. Does she know both are true? Yes.
Now I actually ask you questions about faith again. Not because you argued me into it, but because you love me out of hiding.
That's the bridge. Not converting them, not compromising yourself, creating safety for authenticity, theirs and yours. Here's what I want you to do this week. One assignment. Think about the last conversation with your progressive child that ended in tension or distance. Then replay it in your mind. Ask yourself honestly, was I trying to change them or understand them? Was I defending my position? Then this is the hard part. Call or text them and say, I've been thinking about our last conversation. I want you to know I love you exactly as you are. I don't agree with everything you believe. You know that. But my love for you isn't conditional on you changing. I want to understand your world better. Will you tell me about something specific you care about? I promise, just listen.
If my mom had sent me that message earlier, I might not have believed it at first, but I would have screenshotted it. I would have reread it on the hard days, because it would mean the door wasn't fully closed.
They might not respond right away. They might be skeptical. That's okay. You're not fixing everything in one conversation. You're just cracking the door open. You're signaling authenticity is safe here now. The bridge is built, one honest moment at a time.
This is exactly how Jesus restored people, slowly, gently, without pressure. In John 21:15, after Peter denied him 3 times, Jesus restores him with one simple question. Simon, son of Jonah, do you love me? One question, one open door. And Peter's heart came home. Your child needs that same open door from you.
Here's what I need you to hear. Your conservative values don't have to cost you your progressive kids. But the method you use to hold those values might be costing you more than you realize. Love is a conservative value. Family is a conservative value. Loyalty, sacrifice, commitment, all conservative values. When you make your child choose between their truth and your acceptance, you violate every single one of those values. What if holding your values didn't mean holding them tighter? What if it meant holding your child closer?
Because years from now, I won't remember every argument, but I will remember one thing. Did your home feel like a courtroom or a refuge?
Your kids will remember whether you made room for them at your table, whether you chose correctness or choose connection. Your beliefs can handle it. Your relationship might not survive the alternative. Build the bridge. They're waiting on the other side.
Jesus promised that love is what changes hearts. In John 12:32, he said, And I, if I am lifted up from the earth, will draw all peoples to myself. Not force, not fear, draw. Your child will be drawn by the love of Christ flowing through you. In this series, Touch Your Heart. Take one brave step today. Send the text, make the call. Your child doesn't need a perfect time, just a present one. Your love may be the doorway God uses to bring healing back into the relationship. And if you're ready to go even deeper, watch the next video. The parent trap when standing for truth means standing alone. See you there.